Hello, class. This is the assessment that you will be working on. So if you are in your Seesaw account, you're going to click on Add Response. And I'm going to pretend to be a student, so I'm going to click on my sample student. And this is what your page is going to look like. Your first page. You have 3 pages that you need to complete. I'm going to say a word, and you need to use your sounds to find the word, read the word, and circle the word. We're going to do the first example together. So we're going to begin with the happy face, and we're going to work on this one together. Now, for this, you can go ahead and work on one page at a time. You can pause the video and take your time and look for the word. You can rewind it if you need to hear it again, and then circle the word that you hear Ms. Perez say. So you can just try your best, and I want this completed by Friday. So you have a couple days to complete this. If you think you can do it all at once, then that's perfectly fine. But if you do need to take a break, go ahead and take a break and then come back and continue on it. So every time that you do take a break, if let's say you've done the first page and you want to take a little break, make sure that you hit the button here, or you click here where it says draft, and that will save what you've done. And then when you're ready to come back to it, you'll just open the assignment up again, and then you continue from where you left off. So here we go. Let's go ahead and begin with the happy face. The first word that you're going to look for is the word cat. 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 So I'm going to use my writing tools, and I'm going to look at my words, and I'm going to circle the word that says cat. Now, after you've done the example, now we're going to work on the rest together. So remember, I'm going to say the word, then you need to look at the row and find the word and circle it. Here we go. Number 1. Number 1. My first word that I'm going to say and that you need to circle is the word met. 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 Circle the word met on number 1. Met. Number 2. Circle the word rob. 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 Number 2. Circle the word rob. Number 3. Circle the word yes. 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 Number 3. Circle the word yes. Number 4. Circle the word had. 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 Circle the word had. Number 5. Circle the word got. 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 Circle the word got. Number 6. Circle the word pad, pad, pad. Number 7. Circle the word sip, sip, sip. Circle the word sip. Good. Let's go ahead and move on to our second page. Now remember, you're working on this on your own. Continue to try your best. If you need to take a break, this would be a really good time to take a break. So you can click draft and you can take your break. Let's go ahead and continue to page number 2. We're going to begin with number 8. Number 8. My word is can, can, can. Circle the word can. Number 9. Circle the word fat, fat, fat. Number 9. Circle the word fat. Number 10. Circle the word fox, fox, fox. Number 10. Circle the word box. Number 11. Circle the word thin, thin, thin. Number 11. Circle the word thin. Remember, only circle the word that I say. Number 12. Number 12. Circle the word chill, chill, chill. Number 12. Circle the word chill. Number 13. Number 13. Remember, if you need to pause because you need a little more time to find the word, you can go ahead and pause the video. Number 13. Chips, chips, chips. Circle the word chips. Number 14. Circle the word quest, quest, quest. Number 14. Circle the word quest. Number 15. Circle the word buzz, buzz, buzz. Circle the word buzz for number 15. Good job, my scholars. I really see those brains are really thinking, and you're using everything that you have learned to find those words. Remember, if you need to take a break, go ahead and click the draft so you can save your work and then come back to it after. Let's go ahead and continue to page number 3, number 16. Number 16 on page number 3. Circle the word egg, egg, egg. Number 17. Number 17. Circle the word wicks. 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 Circle the word wicks. Number 18. Circle the word king. 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 Number 18. Circle the word king. Remember, you're trying your best. You're doing this by yourself. Ms. Perez wants to know what you know. Here we go. We're almost done. Number 19. Drip. 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 Circle the word drip. Drip. Number 20. Circle the word shot. 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 Good job, my scholars. If you need to go back and double check your work, you may go ahead and listen to the video again and listen to the words that Ms. Perez says. Now, if you are done with all of your words, if you have circled all the words that Ms. Perez has said, then go ahead and click the green circle with the check. When you do that, it will upload it and send it to me. You did an awesome job. I love how you kept a growth mindset. I can't wait to see what you turn in. So we are done with this assignment. If you have any other assignments that you need to complete, go ahead and complete those. Remember that this assignment 15.2 needs to be done by Friday. Good job, and I will see you soon.